In production, new requirements can always come up. Today, production manager John has a real challenge for his machine operator Michael. An important customer needs 500 units by the evening. That's a tight deadline. Michael immediately starts working on this urgent additional order. It has to be completed on time, and the quality of the workpieces must be perfect. Fortunately, the production process is fully automated, so it can run almost without Michael doing anything at all. An image analysis checks whether the blank is correctly clamped. Should the blank be positioned incorrectly, this is recognized and corrected automatically. If everything is okay, processing starts. Are the components produced okay? That's what quality management assesses. Process monitoring checks whether the essential processing steps have been carried out correctly. During processing, the quality is monitored and documented continuously. After passing quality control, the workpiece is immediately released for further processing. So, the quality manager has an easy job. The processing data is recorded and analyzed during production. The quality of the manufactured parts is monitored continuously. This enables a high workpiece throughput to be achieved with consistently high quality.